Returning to wealthy coin is something we much appreciate. The cost of a Shiba Inu is about to increase fourfold right now. Quite a bit. Recently published SHIB news. The widespread use and fascination with cryptocurrencies is being fueled by the constant influx of new coins and tokens onto the market, such Shiba Inu and Shibarium. The planned Shibarium blockchain network is based on Ethereum and runs at the Layer 2 level. It's named after the Shiba Inu dog breed. The Shiba Inu meme coin will become an entire ecosystem as a consequence of this move. In this video, we'll go over the details of tonight's impending twofold increase in the price of Shiba. Quite a bit. Recently published SHIB news. Get the latest Shiba Inu pricing predictions and expert analysis by subscribing to the channel, sharing the video with your friends, and giving it a big thumbs up. We should not squander any more time because the video is going to begin soon. The Shiba Inu coin has become a well-known meme money and is now valued at almost $20 million, putting it in the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies. The SHIB development team has maintained a steady rate of progress across many projects. Much attention has been focused on the SHIB ecosystem in recent years due to its notable milestones and accomplishments. Binance said on April 18 that Shiba Inu will no longer be part of the innovation zone, which is one of the latest accomplishments. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange has decided to withdraw Shiba. Join several other tokens from the innovation zone on April 18. According to a recent announcement, these tokens include Fracshare, Trust Wallet Token, 1inch, and others. To view the contents of this news, click here. The release from Binance states that the Innovation Zone was created to give platform users a safe space to trade in novel and creative projects. Maybe some of these ventures have shown their worth and are producing the quality we expect after some time has passed. Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange, has announced that following comprehensive reviews, it has decided to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the Innovation Zone. This achievement was achieved by SHIB after evaluations based on multiple criteria were finalized. Someone attempted to stress test the network by developing a script that allowed the creation of millions of wallets. A growing number of wallets are being housed on Puppetnet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network. This has raised concerns about what is driving this rapid increase. A script was reportedly created to create millions of wallets, so the network could be stress-tested. According to recent disclosures, a member of the SHIB Pixel Pups team, who is working on an NFT project based on the Shiba Inu, recently tweeted the information. The person came clean about being the coder behind a script that created over 9.5 million Puppetnet wallets and processed over 3 million transactions on the beta network. In addition, the team member revealed that they were the only owner of around 1620 tokens that were trading hands on the test network. Consider SHIB Pixel Poopstyle or CPAA SHIB Pixel Pups token or CPSBX examples of such tokens. Data collected by Pupiskin Pants official block explorer shows that the network is currently making use of an astounding 13.3 million wallet addresses, having completed over 3.47 million transactions. Keep in mind that in the past 2 days, the number of wallets searched jumped 86, going beyond 5 million. This script was the catalyst that ignited the process that led to this phenomenal growth. The goal of the test network is to provide users a chance to test the network in different ways before releasing it to the mainnet, so that everyone involved can make sure it works as expected. The head of the Shiba Inu, Shidoshi Kusama, has repeatedly stressed that everything shown on the testnet, all the activity, tokens, and transactions, is only for testing purposes and is not real. The creation of a script capable of creating millions of wallets on the test network is an admirable endeavor because it can help assess the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. Additionally, it might be helpful in spotting problems that may arise while it is being developed. To ensure the network is reliable, it must undergo stress testing. The script writers claim they wanted to test the network's capacity to handle heavy traffic during events like games and airdrops. Notably, they also stated that they will be evaluating the network's transaction time, robustness, and other characteristics by running an airdrop script. We have not received any reports of bugs at this time. The SHIB burning that occurred in March have been really remarkable. March saw the destruction of 6.78 billion SHIB tokens as a result of 540 transactions. The amount of SHIB erased and the number of transactions completed as a result Both marked a significant increase compared to the previous months. Burning a total of 2433 SHIB in March was the highest since October 2022, when 9.5 billion SHIB were burned. The SHIB burn tracker announced yesterday that 3 different transactions totaling over 3492 million Shiba Inus were burned, with 2531 million SHIB emanating from a single wallet, the incredible 25,313,097. SHIB was sent to the burn address in a single transaction via the Coinbase associated wallet, which is also called Coinbase 10. The magnitude of this deal was unprecedented. The overall burn rate was 1108 greater as a consequence of this transaction, compared to 2.93 million SHIB the previous day. Another sign that the trend is going upwards is the futures market. Open interest, or OI, in Shiba Inus has been on the rise since the start of March. The indicator being used is the number of active contracts that investors have taken hold of. According to the information given by CoinGlass, the sum of all open futures contracts has exceeded 2.4 trillion SHIB. This amounts to almost $26.78 million. Just about 1 month ago, the OI was about $18 million. Traders' growing interest in SHIB is evident from the increase in open interest. The outlay of capital was $47.03 million in the start of February, when the price of SHIB hit its all-time high of 15.91 cents. The current market value of a Shiba Inu was 10.83 cents. As reported by NewsBitCC, the current price of SHIB is trading in what is called an ascending triangle, a continuation pattern. The new low of 10.64 cents set today marks a new higher low for SHIB. So far, the rising trend remains intact. With any luck, we'll know for sure if the bulls or the bears will win by the end of April. The Shiba Inu has recently become a hot commodity among investors. This is because its futures open interest, or OI, has just soared to $2.04 trillion, or $27.51 million. The gradual rise started about a month ago. A return of interest is shown by this increasing trend, which leads one to predict a price increase. Futures open interest ratio measures the overall quantity of unfulfilled futures contracts that have not been offset by a counter trade or settled. To put it simply, it's a count of all the active contracts that market participants currently have, an event where the market value of an asset grows at an exponential rate. Traders are building positions in anticipation of price changes, and a large quantity of fresh capital is being injected into the market. The open interest in Shiba Inus has increased by almost 52, according to data given by CoinGlass, an intelligence platform for futures trading. From a low of $18.05 million on March 13 to a current high of $27.51 million, or $2.04 trillion in SHIB token value. This growth is visible. The relationship between SHIB's price action and its open interest can be seen in the open interest chart. Because an increase in the asset's OI is typically accompanied by a rise in its price. As of February 5th, there were $3.02 trillion worth of tokens in circulation, or $47.03 million. The asset's value peaked for the year at 15.27 cents on that specific day, thanks to the accompanying spike in the price of SHIB. Conversely, following February 5th, both the total investment in SHIB and the asset price started to decline. After falling to its lowest point on March 13, the open interest is once again seeing a surge in value. Investors are betting that the asset's price will go up in the same